How to create a Go2Bank account online. In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly create a Go2Bank account online, giving you access to digital banking and all its features. Open your browser and go to the official Go2Bank website at Go2Bank.com. On the home page, find the Sign Up or Get Started button and click on it to begin the registration process. You will need to fill out your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Choose a username and a secure password. Make sure your password is strong to keep your account safe. Go2Bank will ask for some form of identification to verify your identity, and this might include uploading a government-issued ID and answering security questions. Connect your existing bank account or debit card to fund your Go2Bank account or choose a direct deposit method. Carefully read the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Once you've entered all necessary information and confirmed it's correct, click Submit to complete the registration. And that's all. Your Go2Bank account is now created and you can start using it to manage your finances. Thanks for watching.